Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. It really helps the channel grow. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with the platform. I'm taking a look at MyZone. This site offers a unique approach to personalized fitness. It leverages heart rate data to track your effort levels and provide a comprehensive view of your workout intensity. The platform aims to motivate users by assigning points based on their exertion, encouraging them to push themselves harder and achieve their fitness goals. The system is compatible with a variety of heart rate monitors, offering flexibility for users who may already own a device. It's designed to promote a consistent exercise routine, helping individuals maintain a healthy lifestyle. The site boasts a user-friendly interface that displays your activity data in a clear and concise manner. You can easily track your progress over time, visualize your workout intensity, and identify areas for improvement. MyZone Moves also emphasizes the community aspect of fitness, allowing you to connect with other users, share your achievements, and participate in challenges. This can provide valuable motivation and support, especially for those new to a regular exercise program. By fostering a sense of community, the platform encourages users to stay engaged and committed to their fitness journeys. The personalized nature of the system, coupled with its community features, makes it a compelling option for individuals looking to optimize their workouts and achieve their fitness aspirations. Beyond simply tracking data, MyZone Moves aims to educate users about the importance of heart rate training and how it can benefit their overall health. This emphasis on education empowers users to make informed decisions about their fitness routines and maximize their results. MyZone Moves attempts to take the complexity out of heart rate training and present it in an accessible and engaging way. This platform stands out by not only tracking your activity but also providing insights into the effectiveness of your workouts, helping you understand how to train smarter, not just harder. With its focus on personalization, community engagement, and education, MyZone Moves offers a comprehensive approach to fitness that goes beyond basic activity tracking. The platform's goal is to help you make sustainable lifestyle changes and achieve long-term health and fitness goals. This is achieved by providing users with the tools and resources they need to understand their bodies and optimize their training.